What's up, guys? So if you've been watching any of the recent videos that had the Ram in it and I started that truck, you probably heard it really struggle. And that's only been happening the past 2 weeks, ever since I installed these mirrors, and I think I know what's going on with it. So let's go ahead and pop the hood real quick and let me show y'all. If we look right here, this terminal, which I'm taking a picture right here so I can know what to get, the middle wire actually pulled out, and this is so corroded and stuff, you can't tighten it down. There's actually no threads on the bottom. I don't know if there's threads in here or if those are actually just bent together so that it holds it. Either way, I think this negative terminal that runs right there, it's a wire loop, it goes all the way up to the engine itself. It's got to be some kind of important harness that is controlling the start of this truck. And so since it's not got a good connection, something's not happy. Like everybody in the cold start video was like, man, that freaking 5.9 is struggling. I've had 25 of them. They've never started that rough. I hear you. I understand. This is a new thing. I think this connection not being solid is what is causing it. Well, thankfully for once in our life, O'Reilly's actually had what we needed, and so we didn't have to drive another 30 minutes to Advance Auto. Got a universal terminal, which should do the trick. So let's go ahead, pop this guy off. I'm sorry in advance for the sound of the rain on the old tin. It is a nasty, gloomy day, but hopefully we are going to fix the Dodge. So I actually put the zip tie on the other day because the truck would not crank at all. Or I say that, it cranked and then it stalled out and then it would not crank. Y'all saw it. I put gas in it thinking the gas gauge was wrong, and I don't know. Between me doing the gas and cranking it, I also did this because this center one right there had slipped out. And so I'm thinking it's just got to be bad connections. Freaking ladybugs are everywhere too. Could it be that simple? Just swapping the freaking terminal. All right. It's still kind of freaking loose. I'm about to swap that freaking thing over. Flip this upside down so it like really squishes it on there. Are you supposed to flip this thing upside down? I don't know. Am I going to try it? Yes. They definitely ain't going nowhere now, daggone it. You know, it's one of those things where it's extremely frustrating because it was so simple that I should have done it or fixed it before, but extremely happy because it was so simple, hopefully, unless it just decides to die real quick. But I think we're good. I think that's literally all it was. Let's actually look and see what that cable runs to. Was the big one right there, main harness splits off. So it probably had something to do with the freaking injectors. And so, yeah, that's her. That's that's our freaking problem. Good oil pressure, good battery. Let's give it a rev or two, see if it stalls. Gosh, dog, man, that was freaking hurt. All right, the check engine light went away because we took the negative terminal off for so long. We need to check that. It's freaking raining. It sounds like it's turning like no RPMs, but it is spinning the daggum tires. Oh, my freaking camera. All right, well, between the tall grass and the rain, oh, that's neutral. She's just slipping all over, but no check engine light yet. Totally forgot to get a thumbnail, so we had to come back. The old Ram looking mighty fine with a little bit of red mud on it. Got her flexed out. The fresh, brand new Grap's getting dirty for the first time. Oh my gosh. Also, we are totally rubbing like crazy on the back over here. Let me show y'all. Yeah. I'm just waiting to hear it fold, and I'm gonna cry. Not on the boost auto, new mirrors. Oh my god. I'm joking guys. It's literally not a big deal. It's fun out here. It's so slick, dude. All right, good news. We successfully got the check engine light back on. Best way to clean off your mud-caked Graps. Hit the freaking road, brother. Hope it keeps raining, brother. Clean that. I don't know why. What is going on with me? I don't know. Get over here to dig a little water side. We done picked up 110 rocks while we were driving down the driveway. Oh yeah, she like 50% clean already. Kind of, sort of. I'm gonna spray it off. I'll be honest, it's a little bit sad washing this thing off because this truck, being a 98, has probably never seen mud. And now it will forever have little pieces of grit coming out behind the taillights and the bumper and pretty much everywhere else. But she is definitely looking good. Nice and cleaned up. We did cause a casualty, boys. Dadgummit. Didn't think it was going to be this side, but oh my gosh, we got some silver. No, we didn't chip the freaking paint off. Rubbed her on both sides. This side didn't even chip paint. It's just kind of, well, it's rubbed off wet one. Why are you closer there than you are here? It's because of that lift block. It is because of that lift block. We got to figure something else. If I got to drop it back down and then put the lift shackle in there, maybe that'll keep it more centered. I don't freaking know. After all that fun, which is definitely the most abuse that I put this thing through, let's see if she still cranks up nice and pretty. Come on, old girl. Oh, unreal. I cannot believe it was that battery, to be honest. That's actually kind of funny. But I mean, it makes sense, you know. Even in the 98, they got a lot of electronics that like to have proper power or negative connection to work properly. So yeah, it definitely makes sense. I got no clue if this is actually going to work. This is the one that works on Larry, though. Hey, we got power. It's a good start. Codes found, okay.
I would like to read said code. Output speed sensor circuit. Did we scan this? I feel like I scanned it. Let's erase it. It's gonna come back, but whatever.
Well, definitely drop a comment and let me know if you've ever had that code on your Ram. Is it a fix? Should I even worry with it? Of course, we would like to get the check engine light off the dash, but from everything that I have experienced with the truck, it drives fine. Now, I know that's related to the transmission, so I just Googled it real quick. It said it could be literally old fluid, bad wiring, just a faulty sensor, bunch of different things apparently, but the truck drives fine, goes into gear, park, shifts, everything like that is nice and smooth. So I don't know. I guess I'll look into it some more, but definitely comment down below and let me know if you have that issue with yours, if you fixed it, whatever the case. And hopefully you enjoyed a little bit of mud bogging in the old Ram. I'm glad she's starting good again. I'll see y'all boys in the next one.